Or knife, titanium hex bit driver, Otacal D1 or O1 D1. Okay, let's open it up, see what's inside. Beautiful. So all light and on knife have some of the coolest packaging. There's a lanyard, or it can be on a keychain. Feels solid, as big as a pen, a little one, but the thickness. What is that? Whoa, there's a little door. And how do we take it out? Okay, it falls out, and little shake, and we have right here 4 bits, Phillips, flat Phillips, star bits, and Allen. That is so cool. I really like that one a lot. So easy to slide it back in. Let's say we need a Phillips head. Lock it back in and put it in, and it sits in there really well. I love it. Wow. So it has a, looks like this way plugs in too. Wow. So I can twist it that way. Yep. With more leverage, I guess, or this way. And this side here, keychain linear holder. And whenever I need to switch it out, all I have to do is open it up and stick it back in. That is a really cool everyday carry little bit driver, and it's like locks in on a bullet there. That is cool. Wow, I love it. Clip magnetic keychain carabiner, it's also called. Not a lot of people know that. Specific name is a carabiner, but it does not come off. If I pull it this way, it's not going to come off at all, unless I pull it on this little rubber, or like, yeah, and it comes off really easily. All I have to do is just pull it kind of like side or down, and it comes off easily, and it's magnetic, so it slides in super fast. But if I try to pull it off this way from a key, it's not gonna come off. So it's a kind of cool quick release carabiner. Maybe good to have on some kind of like fishing tools, whatever, on a backpack. Just so many uses for it. Does it swivels? Let's see. I don't think so. Wow, that's cool. Just locks in so easy this way. And there's a replaceable rubber, make it red. Super unique. Never seen one like that. Very easy to remove it, but then this one not so much if I grab it, the keys or whatever. Love it. On knife, titanium magnetic quick release keychain Otacal R1. So on knife, all light, super cool gadgets. Titanium, very lightweight. Okay, let's open it up. Comes with the keychain. Wow, how does this open? Let me put the keychain rings on real quick. So it is a magnetic, but also it has like a safety clip that pulls back and lets it separate, but also keeps it together. When I push it in, there's a clip right here too. So I can keep the safety open and keep it for easy to like detach and attach, or I can keep it locked in. So if I need to remove something quickly, just grab it, release it, lock it back in, boom. I love it. Usually a lot of magnetic quick releases does not have safety. All it does is just locks it in on the magnet. This one, there's a little extra sting. Swivels well, and I love it that there's a little safety clip. Definitely stand out compared to other ones. There you go. Little keychain, quick release. Multifunctional pry bar, Otacal 2, titanium. So let's open it up, see what's inside. Comes with lanyard. Okay. Okay, pretty nice and hefty. I love the anodized blue screws, titanium screws most likely, and this is looks like copper inlay. Otacal 2, nice. Ooh, titanium clip, skinny, so perfect to open boxes to the tape. Bottle opener, very stylish, so it would hang maybe on my back pocket or onto like my backpack, so that way it will look good. A little like wrench over here. I don't know, just very nice and comfortable. If I need to scrape something up, no problem. Love it. Another clip by 8-timer. So little hooks. Interesting. How does this work? Oh wow, so it's like for backpacks or whatever, easy to hang, and I can always kind of like lock it in over to something and plug it in this way. That is cool. So over some kind of bar, and then I have a hook. For example, hook will look like this. It will hook over any kind of branches, anything. I just did over this just to show you, and I can hang backpacks, anything. Pretty cool. Very unique little hook. On knife, storage capsule or tackle H1. So let's see what it's all about. Another everyday carry little tool. Okay, nothing in there. Maybe a couple extra rings. Okay. So very solid, very good looking titanium, like a keychain. So in case I could put in like a capsule in there, I don't know, like maybe vitamins, fire starter, multiple uses in there. Very cool. Seals up really well. Little hook right here for the keychain. Very stylish. Tough hanger by Tough Hook. So there's a handle this way to carry whatever is heavy that we have to hang, like a vest. For example, plug it in, and if there's a gear and like plates attached, it'd be very heavy, or pretty heavy, I would say, and I could hang it anywhere. Wouldn't have to worry about this sliding off. If I have to carry it, flip it over this way and carry it. I don't have to carry it by the uncomfortable hook right here. There's a nice handle, so I could carry it very easily. This is a good idea. And obviously other things can be hung in here, clipped in into here, just whatever. A couple of holders right here. Awesome. Very, very thick. Look at that. I don't think this hook is going anywhere or anywhere. It's going to last lifetime for sure. This one is a credit card size, like a hot dog holder. So just bend it, put it to the stick, and enjoy it. And it comes with a few of them. It's by Ready-Man. So how would we do that? Flip it all the way over, and so is this one. Flip it all the way over. Can turn it to the side a little bit and put it to the stick. Let's go outside and demonstrate. And just like that, we're going to put it to the stick, and we'll have a hot dog fork or marshmallow fork that fits your pocket.